Hey everyone, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sasriyakal. I am back on my YouTube today. We are diving into MCA and general matrix. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video and stay tuned for upcoming crash courses and exciting applications. Keep connected. So, what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array of number. For example, 2, 4, 1, 6, 3, 2. So what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array of number. The horizontal line, this horizontal line is called row in the matrix, and the vertical line is called column in the matrix. Okay. If a matrix has m number of rows and n number of columns, we say that matrix is of order m cross n. So when a matrix has m number of rows, I have written here rows is m, and n number of columns, then what we call this matrix as of order. Matrix is of order. Matrix is of order m cross n. This is called m cross n when it has m number of rows and n number of columns. For example, 2, 4, 1, 6, 3, 5 is a matrix order of this is m and this is n. So it is 3 cross 2 if it is m cross n. Correct? M is nothing but the rows and n is nothing but column. Next, for example, one more example, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 0, minus 1, 4, minus 1, 5. In this is how many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 cross 3. One minus 1, 2, 0, 0, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 5. So in this is rows and these are columns. Correct? So how many columns? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. So 3 rows. So it will be 3 cross 3. This is nothing but same. Next we'll go types of matrix. There are many types of matrix. Okay, types of matrix. First one is row matrix, second column matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, circular matrix. So we'll go one by one. Row matrix. Row matrix, a matrix is called row matrix when it has only one row. For example, 1, 2, minus 3. So this is our row and these are our columns. So how many rows we have? 1 rows into 3 columns. Correct? So this is nothing but row matrix. Then similar to that, what is column matrix? A column matrix is called matrix if it has only one column. 1, 2, 0. So how many columns it has? This is called row and these are columns. So how many columns it has? M cross n, in the sense m is a row. How many rows? 3. And how many columns? 1. So it is nothing but 3 cross 1. This is called column matrix. Then similar to that is, what do you mean by square matrix? If it has same number of rows and columns. For example, 2, 4, 3, 2. So see these, how many number of rows you have? 2 number of rows. And how many number of columns you have? 2 number of columns. So it is 2 cross 2. When you call a square matrix means it has same number of rows and same number of columns. Okay. Next one is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. What do you mean by diagonal matrix? A matrix is said to be diagonal if it has non-diagonal entries. For entries zeros. For example, 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. See, this is called diagonal. See, 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. What is diagonal matrix? This is example I have taken. A matrix A, let's consider this matrix as A, is said to be diagonal matrix if its non-diagonal entities are zeros. Okay, you can either tell diagonal matrix when this diagonal has different numbers, or even you can remember it as when non-diagonal entries, in the sense this is 0. There are 2 ways to understand. One more example, you can give 1 0 0 1. So your non-diagonal elements or numbers is zeros. Here you can see these are non-diagonal, and which is diagonal. Okay, which are diagonal? These are diagonal. This is diagonal. These are diagonal will be of except 0. So these 2 things you can remember in the easiest form. Next comes a secular matrix. For example, consider one matrix as 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. If the diagonal entries, see, if this is the diagonal entries, right? If this has same number, you can see what is the number over here, 2 2 and 2, right? If the diagonal diagonal entries are same, it may be anything, it may be 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3, any number in the diagonal. If it is same, then it is called cellular matrix. What do you mean by diagonal matrix? If the non-diagonal elements, wherever 0 you can see, right? These non-diagonal elements are 0, then it is called diagonal matrix. Okay. Then the last one is identity. Name itself tell identity matrix. What do you mean by identity matrix? If it is diagonal entities are equal to 1. For example, let's consider one matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, if it's diagonal, this is the diagonal, right? If this diagonal is diagonal entries are equal to 1 always. Okay, what is identity matrix? Name itself tell. Identity means common. So when the diagonal entities are equal to 1, these are called identity matrix. So now transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? Let A be a matrix. I'll just take an example. A 1 2 minus 1 0 2 3 4 minus 1 2 4 minus 2 3. So let A be a matrix. In a transpose of A is a matrix obtained by interchanging. What we have to do for transpose of a matrix? I will be interchanging the rows and the columns of a A. Okay. For example, what is transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix, we usually will write it as A like this, A upon that this one, or even we can write it as A of T. So What is transposes of a matrix? I'll repeat once again. Transposes of matrix is when you interchange the rows and columns. When you interchange the rows and columns. What is transpose of a matrix? When you interchange the rows and columns of A. A is nothing but is your matrix. Okay, once again I will repeat it. What is transpose of a matrix? A transpose, I am considering A as a matrix. When I interchange its rows and columns, okay, that is called nothing but transpose of matrix. That can be donated or showed as like this, A apostrophe S or A T. For example, this is the example I have taken. 1 2 minus 1 0 2 3 4 minus 1 2 4 minus 2 3. So now how the transpose happens, well done. I told we have to interchange the rows. This is the rows and these are the columns, correct? I'll interchange. See, first I'll interchange the when I interchange the rows and the columns, this is nothing but transpose. For example, 1 0 4 4. What I did, I interchanged the column into the row, right? Then 2 2 minus 1 minus 2, then minus 1 3 2 3, right? What did I do? I have interchanged the rows into the columns. You can see 1 0 4 4. This is my column, correct? I made it in the row 1 0 4 4, right? Then 2 2 minus 1 minus 2, 2 2 minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 3 2 3, minus 1 3 2 3. This process is called nothing but transpose of a matrix. So you tell me how many rows and how many columns we have here. Rows, how many rows? 1 2 3. So we have 3 rows and 1 2 3 4 columns, correct? M cross N. Then next we talk about symmetric matrix. What do you mean by symmetric matrix now? So a square matrix is called as symmetric matrix. For example, A is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 is my square matrix where my rows and columns are equal, as we learnt before. So now what is symmetric matrix? It is nothing but a square matrix. So it is A is symmetric, correct? So next topic is matrix multiplication. Okay, let's consider two matrix A equal to 2 3 1 0 2 minus 1 and B equal to 2 3 1 2 0 1. So here how many rows and how many columns? 2 cross 3 and here it is 3 cross 2, correct? So now I have to multiply this one, A cross B I have to do. So always remember, when you are doing A cross B or matrix multiplication, it is always with your row and column. So first what you have to do, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 1, 1 cross 0. Okay, then again same with 0, this side 0 2 minus 1, same thing you have to do. Then again 2 cross 2 3, 3 cross 2 and 1 cross 1. Okay, I'll write it below here. So what did I tell? 2 cross 2 plus 3 cross 1 plus 1 cross 0. then 2 cross 3, 3 cross 2, 1 cross 1, then 0 cross 2 plus 2 cross 1 plus minus 1 cross 0, then 0 cross 3 plus 2 cross 2 minus 1 cross 1. I'll write it once again over here. Same thing I'm writing down again. Okay, now 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 1 0s are 0, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 1s are 1, 0 2s are 0, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1, 0s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1. Here minus 1 is this, so I am writing that. Then this 4 plus 3 plus 0 is 7, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 0 plus 2 is 2, plus into minus, minus, so it will be minus 0. Then 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus of minus 1 is minus 1, so it will be 7, 13, 2 minus 0 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3. So your multiplication, matrix multiplication for A cross B is 7, 13, 2, 3 is 0 matrix. For example, 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. So what is 0 matrix? A matrix with entries that can either be 0 or 1 is called 0 matrix. This is the example where we have an entries of 1 or 0. Okay, wherever this one matrix which has entries 1 or 0 is nothing but 0 matrix. Okay, this is called 0 matrix. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumb up. Stay tuned for more exciting content. If you have any suggestion, doubt, feel free to drop them in a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next video. Bye bye.